talk about the how to find the value of unknown numbers if equation has infinite solution or no solution. Okay na? So question is exercise NCERT 3.5. For what value of a and b does the following pair of equations have infinite solution? तो you know the condition infinite solution जानते हैं आप. इफ a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and second equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So what are the four infinite solutions? Already we discussed about it. Okay na? So what you? So for infinite solution, this a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2. So we apply this property to find the value of a and b, because question given that the following pair of equations have infinite solution. Okay na? So first we write this side, constant this side. So we write the equation 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0, and another second equation a minus bx plus a plus by minus 3a plus b minus 2 is equal to 0. Now what is here? Since write down here, since equation has infinite solution, finite solution, this imply a1 is here क्या है 2 by a2 क्या है a minus b equals to b1 by b2 b1 क्या है 3 है b2 is a plus b equals to c1 by c1 is minus 7 and c2 is minus what 3a plus b minus 2 minus this minus cancel with this. Now by cross multiplication we find here, take two first inequality. What we get? 3a minus 3b equals to this multiply with this 2a plus 2b. This carry this side 3a minus 2a 2b minus 3b carry this side plus 3b. So what we will get here? 3a minus 2a, a is equal to what will be 2b plus 3b 5b. So one value, one equation, simplified equation we found that a is equal to 3b. Again take any two, these two, first and second inequality. What we get here? 3 3 from second and third. This multiply with this 3a 3 3 9a plus 3b minus what will be 3 2 6 equals to this multiply with this 7a plus 7b. Carry this side 9a minus 7a plus 3b minus 7b equals to 6. 9a minus 7a, what will be 2a plus 3b and minus 7b, what will be minus 4b is equal to 6. Now what is the value of a? We got a is equal to 3b. So put the value of a here by substitution method. 2 into 3 2 5b, sorry 3 3 plus 2 5b. Okay na? So 2a value is 5b minus 4b equals to 6. The 10b minus 4b 6. 6b equals to 6. So b is equal to 6 by 6. What will be? 1. So we get the value of b. Now we have to find value of a. So a is equal to 5b. Now what value of b? b we comes here 1. So a equals to 5 into 1. So a equals to 5. So this implies a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 1. This is the answer of the A and B. Now similarly, second type equation is here condition given that infinite solution. If suppose unknown, we have to find the value of unknown constant if no solution. Okay na? So now we let's see the second type question. Question is, for what value of k, two second part of the 2, for what value of k, will be the following equations have no solution. Equation is 3x plus y equals to 1 and 2k minus 1 x plus k minus 1 y equals to 2k plus 1. Write in standard form. This is your first equation, this is your second equation. क्या करेंगे? 1 को हम इस साइड लाएंगे. So 3x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. This carry this side. 2k minus 1x plus k minus 1 y minus carry this side. 2k plus 1 is equal to 0. Now for the no solution, you know that for the no solution, a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2. So this a1 is 3 by 2k minus 1 equals to b1 by b2, b1 is 1, k minus 1 not equals to c1 by c2, that is minus 1 by minus 2k plus 1. So from this inequality, what we will get here? 3k minus 3 is equal to 2k minus 1. So 3k minus 2k is equal to 3, carry this as 3 minus 1. What will be? K is equal to what? 3 minus 1, 2. So k value is 2. Again find from these two. Okay na? So minus sign both side cancel. What will we get here? Multiply say 2k plus 1 not equals to k minus 1. Carry this side. 2k minus k equals to minus 1 plus minus 1. What will we get here? K is equal to minus, not equals to minus 2. So we get a k not equals to minus 2, but k is equal to 2. And again find first and third. From first and third, what do we get here? This multiply with this, 2 3 ja 6k plus 3 not equals to, what will be? This multiply with this, 2k minus 1. So 6k minus 2k not equals to minus 1 minus 3. So 4k not equals to minus 4. What do we get here? K not equals to minus 1. So what will we get answer? K is equal to 2, k not equals to minus 2 and k not equals to minus 1. Okay na? So this way we find the value of k.